Okay, here we have some Kicker aftermarket speakers, and we're using the American International Speaker Adapter Kit. Now, I just got off the phone with Crutchfield because I had no clue on how the heck to put this in this. Turns out you got to break these little tabs off with a screw, with a pair of pliers. These tabs just break right off. After you break them off, these tabs here, just grab your pliers. In this case, there was 5 tabs to break off. You leave these down here. After you break them off, they look like this. So then you're able to slip the speaker right into the adapter.